Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can rename your presentations and whiteboards on Microsoft Whiteboard. So let us get started. So head over to the web application of Microsoft Whiteboard, or you can do this also through the desktop app. I find it easier here through the web application, but it's totally up to you. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the presentation you would like to rename. So let me go with this one here, and here in the top left next to the home button you will see your currently open presentation. So click into that arrow down icon, and here under board name simply remove the previous name and rename it, like for example my presentation or something like that. Press enter, and that's it. As you can see now it has been changed. Now if you return to the home menu, you will see also that the name has been applied here. So you may simply click into these three dots here and select rename, and rename your whiteboard presentation from that menu. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.